Let's explore Docker containers. In this video, we are going to understand what Docker containers are and how they are created. The main topic will be running instances of Docker images. A Docker container is a running instance of a Docker image that includes the application and all its dependencies. Think of it as a ready-to-run package of your software. It is important to understand the difference between a Docker image and a Docker container. A Docker image is a static template or blueprint, while a Docker container is the running instance of that image. A container has a lifecycle. First, it is created, which means it is instantiated from a Docker image. Second, it enters the running state, where the application processes are actively executing. Finally, it can be stopped, at which point the container is halted but the data is preserved. Here are some basic Docker commands. Docker run, along with the image name, is used to create and start a new container. Docker ps is used to list all the running containers. Docker stop, along with the container ID, is used to stop a running container. Containers provide isolation. They run in separate process spaces, have their own file system, and possess isolated network interfaces and ports. This ensures that containers do not interfere with each other or the host system. Let's look at a container example. The command docker run -p 3000:3000 node:18 creates and runs a container from the Node.js 18 image. It also maps port 3000 from the container to host port 3000, making the application accessible from the host machine. Here are the key takeaways from this video. First, containers are running instances of Docker images. Second, each container runs in isolation with its own resources. Third, containers are lightweight and start quickly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.